If you're wondering how to create a career assessment quiz in Outgrow, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up your quiz from start to finish, making it interactive and engaging for your audience. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Outgrow for your quiz and get some exclusive bonuses that can help you get started for free. Outgrow is an excellent tool for building interactive quizzes, assessments, and surveys, and it's incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for anyone looking to create a career assessment quiz to help users identify their strengths, preferences, and career paths. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a content creator, Outgrow lets you build professional quizzes that engage users and collect valuable data in no time. Let's dive right into how you can get started. First, head over to Outgrow's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a simple, clean interface that's perfect for beginners. Click on the Create New button, and you'll see several template options. For this video, we're focusing on the Career Assessment Quiz template, but there are tons of others you can explore once you're comfortable. After selecting the Career Assessment Quiz template, you'll be brought to a section where you can start customizing your quiz. Outgrow offers a drag-and-drop editor, so you can easily rearrange questions, add new ones, and modify them to match your desired outcomes. When creating a quiz like this, think about the types of career questions that will help you guide users to the right answers. Questions could range from what types of work environments they prefer to their skill strengths. One of the standout features of Outgrow is its ability to create personalized results for quiz takers. After users complete the quiz, they'll get a tailored result based on their answers. This helps make the quiz feel even more valuable and personalized. You can customize these results with different messages, recommendations, or career paths based on the answers they provide. Now, let's talk about design. Outgrow gives you full control over the look and feel of your quiz. From colors to fonts, you can match your branding or make the quiz stand out with a unique style. This is important, as having a well-designed quiz can boost engagement and make the experience much more enjoyable for the user. Once your quiz is set up, Outgrow allows you to easily integrate it into your website or landing page. You can either embed the quiz directly or share a link, depending on your needs. It also supports integrations with email marketing tools like MailChimp and CRM platforms, which makes it easy to track and follow up with quiz respondents. This is where Outgrow truly shines. It lets you capture leads and interact with your audience effectively. Don't forget that you can add various logic paths to your quiz. This means depending on one answer, the user might get different follow-up questions. This adds another layer of customization and ensures you're asking the right questions to the right people, improving your conversion rates and giving more personalized results. By now, you should have a good understanding of how to create your career assessment quiz in Outgrow, but there's even more to explore. The platform offers analytics that lets you track how well your quiz is performing, which answers are the most popular, and where users might be dropping off. This data is invaluable for improving your quiz and optimizing it over time. Remember, Outgrow offers a completely free trial, so you can try everything mentioned today without any risk. And as a special bonus for watching this video, you'll have access to an extended free trial plus exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description below. You won't want to miss that. It's a great opportunity to get started with Outgrow and see how it can work for your business or personal projects. So to recap, creating a career assessment quiz in Outgrow is simple, customizable, and gives you the tools to engage your audience and capture leads. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with quiz tools, Outgrow makes it easy to get started and start seeing results quickly. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial with exclusive bonuses by using the link below.